Welcome to ISE. My name is Mike Finch. I'm the CEO of Concept International. We are a distributor of the leading brand for digital signage player, Giada. And today I'm going to show you our latest and greatest high performance player. It's the D612. It has the latest 12th generation Intel Core i CPU. And it incorporates 4x HDMI ports, supports 8K displays, and is in our standard book size format, the highest performance model that we have. As the option, you can plug in a Wi-Fi card or a 5G card for connection, and of course you always have the standard LAN port and a COM port for controlling displays, for instance. Thank you.